everybody.
Hello.
I'm Matthew Leon.
I'm Corrine Hansch.
We're the owners of Lovin Mama Farm in Amsterdam, New York. And we're an award-winning 10-acre organic farm that has been producing a lot of beautiful vegetables that are healing our community since 2016 in upstate New York.
So our values on the farm are stewarding the land in an ecological way and also serving the community in an ethical way. And this is our next project. We just bought a kitchen. Here we are in our new kitchen. It's recently renovated. It's in a historic old diner in the heart of downtown Amsterdam, only 8 minutes from our farm. We're so excited to be able to use this kitchen space to create value-added products like salsa, ketchup, pickles, pestos, veggie broth, jams, frozen vegetables, dehydrated vegetables, basically anything you can imagine. We're gonna create it with farm fresh goodies.
And as much as that might seem like we're just excited to create farm fresh goodies, we're actually doing this out of necessity. As farmers, we produce a lot of food, and there's certain times of the season when you have a little bit too much or a lot too much of certain products that you can't quite sell them all at farmers market. And so this space will actually be capturing all this amazing peak of season produce right when it tastes the best. We're going to bring it into this kitchen and turn it into shelf-stable, value-added products that are 95+% from our farm.
And the great thing about this as a farm, it can be very challenging to have products in the dead of winter, especially a winter like the one we've been having this year in upstate New York. We do grow year-round, but we have very limited options for our customers in the winter, so we're really excited to be able to bring more Lovin Mama goodness to everybody year-round, but especially in the winter months with these shelf-stable projects. The kitchen is only half of this building. The exciting thing is, in the other space that you can't see now, we are still working on renovating that space, and that is going to be our retail space and a farm-to-table cafe. So it turns out the city of Amsterdam, a city of 18,000 people, doesn't have a single independent coffee shop. I know personally we will drive out of the county to get a good cup of coffee, and we want to change that. So we are working really hard to open the retail space by the summer of 2026, and we're going to have a farm store in there where we'll be selling our farm produce 7 days a week. So if you guys miss us at market, you'll be able to come to Amsterdam, pick up your vegetables, and maybe grab a maple latte and a breakfast sandwich while you're here. So we're going to have really creative but simple farm-to-table options featuring our produce, like an egg sandwich with microgreens or tomato jam with goat cheese and arugula on toast. I paid out of pocket for everything you can see in this kitchen right now. That included a new roof, the down payment to purchase the building, all of this beautiful new equipment. We had to completely rip all the walls down and create all new surfaces, new ventilation system. We have a walk-in freezer. It's kind of a miracle we've been able to get this far. The retail space, which we'll show you guys a picture of, it needs a lot of work. So it needs all new windows, all new floors, all new walls. It needs a new entryway that's wheelchair accessible. It needs a new bathroom that's wheelchair accessible. We still need to build the countertop for the cafe and all the displays. Space for the farm store. So we really have our work cut out for us, and we're just so grateful for any donation that you guys are able to do, from $10 up to $5,000. We're looking for investors to invest in this project with us, and we have an amazing selection of awards, everything from canning workshops to a farm-to-table brunch, to a mix and mingle session, evening dinner for opening night. We have great options out there. So please go ahead and look through all of our rewards and reach out with any questions. We're just so grateful to you all. We love our community. We do this for you all. So cheers to the future.
Yeah, and thank you so much for listening and watching this video, and even for thinking about us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.